U.S. government invests in the south and eastern parts of Europe for international exchange programs, for media exchange programs, for media training, for small grants to NGOs and civil society.
I think it's really important for governments and world leaders, political leaders, to be engaged on digital platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, really to communicate with their audience. It is a dialogue.
You have an audience there. The key thing, especially when you're making digital videos, is to understand how audience behaves on the platforms. So whether you're publishing a video on your website, whether you're putting it on YouTube or Facebook, behaviors are very, very different. But one thing is for sure is that you have a sea of content and you need to grab people's attention very quickly. And the other thing is that it's a very powerful medium. It's multisensory. It's not only about reading something like a text. You feel this, you hear it. You can go back and forth.
So I think that digital diplomacy is becoming an increasingly important aspect of our work. We're finding out that people are tending to go to online sources to get information about anything that a government is doing, and they're looking to get the perspective of what we're thinking about these things. And this provides a really interesting avenue for engagement that had never previously existed in quite a fashion. We were never quite able to reach as many people as we can now, but more importantly, we've never actually had the ability to get instant feedback and instant engagement from our citizens in a way that we can now through these tools.
We started with theory, then we got some case studies, success stories, and people sharing their experience, best practices, and these are the things we can actually use in our daily activity.
We were talking, one of the greatest things about this conference is actually the networking that you get to make and all the people that you get to meet.
It's quite important to hold this kind of seminars. First of all, to know each other closely, to know who is working behind the different ministries.
A digital diplomat is a policymaker, a person who works at a ministry, who's really interested in helping to advance a policy conversation, but doing it in an engaging way and bringing more people into the conversation.